Okay, so Krishna, can you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so welcome to the session here. So I think in the yesterday class we're gonna have started already with the entropy topic here, and this is the important part for the energetics one. Well, energetics in short, it is telling you about that for a chemical reaction, how the energy important to perform for breaking, for forming. That means you are performing a chemical reaction, and when you're performing a chemical reaction, you're going to have like breaking process and the forming process. So when there is a bond breaking and the forming process, both involve energy. Now, the half part of the energetics one we already have covered. This is the important part, that second part of energetics, which is called entropy. Okay. So I told you
Okay.
something for entropy. Do you remember about entropy, the term I used for it? Yeah. Can you
Uh,
tell me the topic that we have discussed for entropy? What exact the
uh,
word we have for entropy? What entropy generally measure? Degree of
and
dash. Tell me.
ma'am, ma'am, entropy is considered as a uh,
Yeah. Degree of dash. Entropy is defined as a degree
ma'am,
of
and
dash.
ma'am, enthalpy or
No, degree of randomness
yes, ma'am,
and
yes, ma'am,
disorderness.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
how effective the particle have tendency to spread. Okay, to have that kind of like randomness there, where we have the free movement of these particles. And when these particles have free movement here, we can say the term that we are using, it is your entropy one. Okay,
Okay.
so out of solid liquid gas, which one do you think has a more entropy and why? Out of solid liquid gas, which one has a more entropy?
Ma'am, it's gas, ma'am,
Yeah.
because they are the
Tell
one who
me.
is ma'am, it's gas, ma'am, ma'am, because
Gas has a
it
more
is
entropy.
one,
Why gas has more entropy? Why not the solid
ma'am,
and liquid one? Yeah, tell me
ma'am,
please.
yes, ma'am, gas already has like so much randomness. It's already spread it out. Yes, ma'am, but solid and liquid, they don't have the tendency to spread out even more, but gas has the tendency to spread out even more, even though they expand.
Yeah, you know what? If our substance bring out and carry some energy, and with that energy they have some move tendency of movement. They have tendency of spreading also. That's how the entropy concept take care of it. So we have entropy for that part here, where how energy is used here for their spreading, for their movement